Congressman, basically, kayo po ay naniniwala na si Gutesa ay talagang nagpunta dito kay attorney at pinatutuhanan po yung kanyang affidavit at si attorney po ay talagang nag-sign doon sa kanyang sinumpaang salaysay at ninotaryo po ito. Gutesa,
Yes.
is Gutesa telling you na talagang ginawa niya yon at doon siya talaga nagpunta kay attorney Pichi Rosas Espiras?
Yes, you know, Pinky, the truth is, walang motive si Gutesa na manloko ng notaryo. Kasi yung sinabi naman niya sa Senate is the same.
Yeah,
There's no motive on the part of Sergeant Gutesa to fake a notarized document because he said it the same. It's not perjurious on his part because it was in good faith. Now, as to the lawyer and to that office, they should investigate. Why is she backtracking now? Why is he saying now that that didn't happen, that Gutesa didn't go to their office?
Just going back to what you said, na wala hong, I forget the exact word you said, walang...
The motive. No
walang
motive.
motibo si Gutesa na magsinungaling,
Yes.
hindi ho ba? Ang tanong ko po, ano po ang magiging motibo ni attorney na siya naman po ang magsinungaling?
Pwede siyang tinakot. Pwede siyang sinabihan na sabihin mo, hindi totoo yan. Because, you know, that's the only way they can discredit this person. That's the only way they can, you know, bring down the statements he delivered to the Senate, to the Blue Ribbon Committee.